Your stress habits and patterns, that little voice of the inner dialogue that keeps you stuck in it, is hardwired. It's encoded. It's even cultural. And so it's up to you, if you choose to pick up some of these tools today to start the rewire of how you do your thinking that translates in how you do your life.
Since 1999, Sarah Register has been helping success-driven individuals and organizations identify issues and transform their stress to have successful careers and lives.
When someone says to me, "Oh, I don't have any stress, I'm not stressed at all," then I say, your life is boring. Underneath stress is resistance. Your stress and resistance can block you from a lifestyle that you really love.
She's a registered nurse, integrative health coach, stress mastery expert, shamanic healer, and teacher. Studies have shown how stress-based resilience not only improves the morale and company culture, but also the physical health of your organizational members.
What we want to train is the Meet the Challenge response. When we're doing the Meet the Challenge response, it really helps us to have more self-confidence, to be motivated to do our best, and it helps us learn from whatever that experience is.
Her interactive talk empowers leaders of an organization to respond to challenges with less reactivity and more creative problem solving.
I have found a way to integrate Western medicine that's so valuable with integrative medicine that's the new frontier. So I want to give you all right now a strategy. This works. It's like my all-time favorite for everyone everywhere. It's called the 4-7-8 breath, and we're going to do it. The road to success is about how can I keep my tank full so that I don't deplete myself either to get sick or burned out.
Hire Sarah Register as your keynote speaker today, or ask about her interactive stress resilience workshop.